My flesh and my heart failed, but God is the strength of my heart and my portion forever. Psalms 73:26. I am conscious that the life and the intelligence within me is some part of the universal spirit. Therefore, I know that my mind is one with the infinite mind. Being one with the infinite mind, I am continuously guided and directed, and all my actions are controlled by the spirits within me. I know exactly what to do in every situation. Every idea necessary to successful living is brought to my attention. The doorway to ever-increasing opportunity for self-expression is ever open before me. I am continuously meeting new and larger experiences. Every day brings some greater good. Every day brings more blessings and greater self-expression. I prosper in everything I do. An abundance of good is mine today. There is that within me that understands the truth, that completely accepts it, that remembers freedom, expresses freedom, and anticipates freedom. There is that within me that is completely conscious of its unity with good, of its oneness with all the power there is, all the presence there is, and all the life there is. Upon this power, presence, and life, I depend with complete certainty. I have absolute inner assurance that divine intelligence benefits me in everything I do.